Good morning. Today is Monday the 12th? March 12th? It's Monday. Came to the freaking DMV and you know what? I said no. There's a fucking huge ass line. Give me a moment. Yep, nope. I can do this shit tomorrow. I can do it later. Fuck that. It's hella people. There's a fucking long ass line outside. I ain't doing this shit. And then I have my child with me, and I don't like him running around. I know how he is. When he's outside, he likes to run around, and I don't need that right now. So right now I'm gonna go to the insurance company. Hopefully that they're open. But yeah, today's just doing a lot of errands, going back and forth. So yeah. Papi, do you want something to eat? ¿Quieres algo de comer? Okay, we're gonna go eat, okay? And then we're gonna go to the hospital. Ya, vamos a ir a comer. No, vamos a comer acá. Aquí en McDonald's, ¿quieres ir? Más bien yo te voy a mirar a ti. No, nada. I wasn't supposed to even wait for the line. What the fuck? Okay. Now I feel like a retard. Okay, so I have not been vlogging. The last one that I vlogged was 2 days ago. I think, yeah, 2 days ago. Anyways, I just went to go do my nails. They're fucking gorgeous. This is more me. Fucking love dark colored. But yeah, I have not been vlogging that much. It's just the same shit. Me being home from school. I have not done anything interesting this whole entire time. So I'm just vlogging like anything that's interesting. That's it. Other than that, right now I'm just going to the store. I just got out of my nail appointment. I'm going to the store. I'm gonna go get some pan dulce, Mexican bread, so I can eat with my baby right now. Dude, you better not hit me. Big ass truck. So, yeah, that's the plan right now. I'm so fucking in love with my nails. This is like so me. The other ones that I had, like, I didn't like it. The girl, she came up with that idea, and I didn't want to be rude, so I just said, yeah, you're so cute. And they were cute, but they were not my style. I'm more of a dark girl. I like my dark nails. I like my dark makeup, dark clothes. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, we're just heading down to the store. That's all I'm gonna do. Go back home and do chores, usual every day. That's it. So that's why I really don't vlog. It's the same shit. So when I do vlog, I find it interesting, and that way I can just show you guys it's interesting. Yeah. And other than that, I just don't want to bore you with my regular, like, same fucking shit every fucking day. So that's why I'm like, just doing little clips here and there, that's it. I'm very pissed off right now. I fucking edited my makeup video, and just now, it took me a day and a half to fucking edit it. And the fucking computer, have no idea what happened. It says that, like, a fucking, a clip is not linked. So it's not showing anything, it's like blank. Like, you can hear the background of the music, but you can't see the video. I worked my fucking ass off with that fucking video. It was a makeup tutorial. I'm like so pissed. Like, it took me a while to edit that video, and I seriously don't want to do it all over again. Like, I seriously don't. It's ridiculous what happened. So. Dropped off the kids at my mom's. I'm almost there. I'm like seconds away from getting there. So I already dropped off the kids at my mom's. I'm almost there. I'm like seconds away from getting there. Looks like there's a lot of people. Parking looks packed. Used to make me fucking call the parking here. So I already dropped off the kids at my mom's. I'm almost there. I'm like seconds away from getting there. Looks like there's a lot of people. Parking looks packed. Used to make me fucking call the parking here.
Cause they not on the census. Now bitch, you can bet that I will. Bet that I will. Now bitch, you can bet that I will.
I hope you guys can hear me. I just got out from meeting the Murillo twins. Sorry, I didn't pronounce it right. The Murillo twins. And I have to say, they are amazing. They're so sweet. They're awesome. So they were really just with everybody. I was actually surprised that they would even come down to Atwater. Atwater's so freaking small. There's like nothing to do out here. So yeah, they're so cute. I was so nervous, but I had like a little combo with them, so I was all good with that. They're so adorable. So this experience like was nice. It was like yeah, and then Mo Money was there, but yeah, they're pretty freaking amazing. Yeah, overall experience is like really nice. They're like really nice, sweet girls. That's all I really can say. I did get really nervous. I was like, shit, like what the fuck? And then, I couldn't even tell them apart right at the moment because I was like so like struck. I was like, oh my god. I'm like, I was shook. And I was like trying to like, oh my god, like focus on the moment, and I was, and they're like, oh my god, I don't know who it was, but oh my, and one of them are like, oh my god, I love your lip color. I'm like, thank you. I'm like, who is it? So I mean, I'm really excited about that. Like, they're just so sweet. I actually love meeting them. Oh my god, their hair is so fucking sleek and soft. Anyways. Yeah, that was my experience with the Murillo twins. They were pretty amazing and nice.